Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock solutions. A stock solution is a highly concentrated solution that serves as a base for creating less concentrated working solutions. This method significantly enhances efficiency and precision in the lab, allowing you to quickly prepare various dilutions from a single, well-characterized source. You will need to accurately measure your solute and dissolve it in a suitable solvent. Before you begin, calculate the exact amount of solute needed. For example, if you need a 1 molar solution, you'll weigh out the gram molecular weight of your compound. Use the dilution formula C1V1 equals C2V2 to plan your concentrations. Precision is key here, so always use an analytical balance for weighing and choose a volumetric flask that precisely matches your desired final volume, such as a 100 milliliter or 500 milliliter flask. First, dissolve your accurately weighed solute in approximately 2/3 of the total solvent volume in a beaker. Stir thoroughly until the solute is completely dissolved. Next, carefully transfer this solution into your clean volumetric flask. Rinse the beaker several times with small amounts of solvent, adding the rinses to the flask to ensure all solute is transferred. Finally, slowly add solvent until the bottom of the meniscus aligns perfectly with the calibration mark on the flask. Then cap and invert to mix. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining solution integrity. Always label your stock solution immediately with its exact concentration, the preparation date, and your initials. Store it in a suitable container, such as an amber bottle for light-sensitive compounds, and under the correct conditions, like refrigeration if necessary. Remember to always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and gloves, throughout the entire preparation process to prevent any accidental exposure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.